Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can verify your location on FanDuel. So first of all, if you verify your location on FanDuel, first of all, the thing is that when you make your account, it automatically does detect a location, but if there's any restriction or any problem, you can simply try again. If not, then you can make sure that location services are enabled. That would mean that you'll go basically on your location in settings. You'll see if they're properly enabled or if there's no restriction and if the location is precise. If not, then you can close and reopen the browser or the application if you downloaded that of FanDuel. You can relaunch it and then you can see if it works. If not that, then it could also happen due to any VPNs that you've left on. So you'll just basically turn off any VPN if you have one. If that doesn't work, then you can reset your Wi-Fi, and if that doesn't work either, you can use a different device to check if you can set precise location then. Or if none of these steps work, just make sure you're not in a zone where it cannot access your location or it gets confused while trying to access your precise location. If none of these steps works, then you can simply just contact their help and support and you'll be able to find out a solution to your problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.